Upbeat music plays in the background. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the savviest purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring high with two mini drones that promise big fun, the Holy Stone mini drone and the Heygelo S90 drone. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the ultimate drone showdown. Let's see which one will take flight and which one will crash and burn. All right, let's start with the most important factor, your wallet's feelings. On the left, we have our budget-friendly Holy Stone mini drone at just $36. Reviewers love that it's a great deal for the price, offering good performance and lots of fun. On the right, the Heygelo S90 drone comes in at a pricier $59. Users mention that for the extra cash, you get longer battery life and more advanced features. So does that extra money buy you a better experience? Let's find out. Next up, the fun factor. The Holy Stone is like the life of the party. Toss it to launch, make it do 3D flips, circles, and auto rotations. Reviewers say it's perfect for indoor entertainment and very easy to control. Meanwhile, the Heygelo S90 is pulling out all the stops with over 10 professional stunts, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even trajectory flights. Reviewers find it impressive, but caution that more tricks could mean more crashes. Both drones promise a lot of fun, but in different ways. Now, how easy are these bad boys to fly? The Holy Stone is all about keeping things simple. It hovers at a fixed height with its altitude hold function and has headless mode, so you don't get all turned around. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendliness, especially for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 comes with remote, app, voice, and gravity control options. Reviewers love these features, but note that they can be overwhelming for newbies. It's great for tech enthusiasts, but if you're a newbie, you might need a bit of practice. Now let's talk flight time, because no one likes a drone that dies mid-air. The Holy Stone comes with 3 batteries giving you 21 minutes of flight time. Reviewers find this pretty solid for its price. But wait, the Heygelo S90, with its 2 modular batteries, offers a whopping 26 minutes. That's an extra 5 minutes to impress your friends or annoy your neighbors. Reviewers appreciate the longer flight time, even if it comes at a higher cost. Portability is key, especially if you're planning to take your drone on the go. The Holy Stone is mini and portable, perfect for parties, school, hiking, or just showing off to your friends. Reviewers love its compact design and ease of use. The Heygelo S90, not to be outdone, has a foldable fuselage design, making it compact and easy to stuff into your backpack. Reviewers highlight its convenience and the compact case it comes with. Both drones are easy to carry around, but the Heygelo adds a touch of sophistication. Last but not least, safety. The Holy Stone has propeller guards to protect both your drone and your fingers. Reviewers appreciate this feature for indoor use and for kids. Heygelo S90 also has propeller guards and adds some extra stability features. Reviewers find it durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, despite some initial skepticism. So both drones are pretty kid-friendly, unless your kid is a drone-crashing maniac. Overall, the Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners and indoor use. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 drone is appreciated for its advanced features, longer flight time, and overall durability, though it comes at a higher price point. Both drones have their unique strengths, making them appealing to different types of users. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone mini drone and the Heygelo S90 drone both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for budget-friendly fun and simplicity, the Holy Stone might be your new best friend. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for more features and longer flight time, the Heygelo S90 could be worth the extra cash. Either way, you're in for a good time. Just maybe keep your pets indoors. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.